guys, end of the day, so just want to tell you about this. Just organize some stuff here. Not the best, but it's what it is. I mean, this is kind of fine here, but then all these boxes are kind of, and then so just organize this, cleaned it up. It was a big mess, so push this back over in the corner, organize these boxes a little bit, get this stuff all looking clean and having some walking area in here. So did that for a little bit, and then a little bit more work for today. Started working on these flexes. I was gonna do a double layer, but he wanted it as high to the ceiling as possible. Then he said I could do 2 layers if I wanted to, but it would have probably actually been 3 layers because these are 3-layer holes sorta. So, or I could have just done 2 wide and then just extra long. But anyway, so I started doing these flexes. So hopefully it turns out the way I hope it does, and just nice and straight all the way across and not all crisscrossing. So I'm just gonna try to do top one, bottom one, top one, bottom one, that way, so they're all in order, so they're not overlapping each other. So hopefully I don't have a problem here. So far this is what I got, but we'll see how it turns out on Monday. Out of straps right now. Probably strap those ones up. So this will be, I need to leave like 8 inches for these 4. Basically each strap takes up 2 inches, so I need to leave 8 inches for these two light flexes and these 2 light flexes. So it'll be for these 2 and these 2 on the outside. So getting a little bit more done in here, so I brought the lights in here and then cleaned off the floor so I'm not tripping on my ladder or anything. So what we got going on here, I just threw some strut on the back of the wall, all 4 struts on the back of the wall, and then threw the straps on 1 1/4 inch straps for this 1 inch flex. And then doing a little bit of sheetrock work today, so I got the sheetrock put up. So when you're an electrician, you do a little bit of everything: electrical, sheetrock, insulating, I mean just a little bit of everything, stuff like that. So put the sheetrock up, drilled the holes, just basically just measured to the edge of the wood, bottom of the TGI, and then held up the hole saw, and then just marked the center of it and made a straight line across. And then I had to drill through that metal one, and then these 2 metal ones right here where the metal's in the way. But that's what I was working on today. So can't wait to be done with this stuff. Slightly annoying just because dragging it across the metal gets stuck a lot, and then trying to get this all working out here is kind of a trick, just getting it, because it's going at 2 different angles. So have to fight it a little bit, but it'll hopefully turn out nice and well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I think that's about it for today. Gonna go on a road trip on Sunday with a couple Corvette friends down to a cheese factory, so can't wait for that. It'll be good times. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I'm humbled. It means a lot to me. Halfway to 1,000. Definitely do another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and I will shave my beard at 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to see what I look like without a beard, hit that subscribe button, support me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And if you didn't check out yesterday's video, my coworkers dared me to stick my head in a bucket of electrical pulling lube. So it was hilarious. So I hope you guys check it out. I actually got some more money today from that. My boss actually sent me 20 bucks, which was crazy. I didn't see that coming. So either he felt bad for me or liked it or something. So I got like $64 total. So go check that out. It's hilarious. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Peace out. Oh, and one last thing. I'm just going to throw up a picture here. Eric got his diagonal cutting pliers, dikes, side cutters. So I'll throw up a picture there for you. Hope you enjoy Eric. Enjoy them. Put them to good use. And I hope you the best with your electrical career. And I will see you guys next time.